Hi guys and welcome from Poland. I want to show you today my BMW Z4, how quick the roof opening now. After I changed it, the original BMW pump to the Peugeot 206, which is working more quiet and working faster. I just want to show you now. Just have a look, guys. First of all, start the car. I'm gonna close it first. Look. Okay, just done now. And have a look how quick it's gonna open now. And how quiet. And that's it. And now I'm gonna show you where I relocate the pump. And I'm gonna show you inside how quick it is. It's become from 10 seconds, which is original time to open and close, to 8.5 seconds to open, and close you have about 9 seconds. I'm just gonna show you inside the car now. Okay, guys, as is right hand side drive car. Behind the passenger seat is the compartment over there. Just have a look. I relocate the pump over there from that pillar which was inside there and get all water damage. Have a look. Is the original 206 Peugeot 206 pump. You can see the sign, the Peugeot, which with original electric motor from BMW, which I left, and I left this cover from Peugeot because it's make this pump more quiet. And all this, close it by this. This is the perfect way to relocate the pump instead of placing in the boot, which is for me wrong. And now I'm gonna show you with the stopper how quick that roof is. Just have a look. And now we're gonna open. We'll see how long it's gonna take. .52 seconds, which is operate quicker than original one. Very nice. Let's try to close now and we'll see. Okay, ready? Close. I suppose closing gonna be longer. 9.57. Closing is longer than open, but we got very good result, which is mean the pump working fine and it's so quiet. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy that film what I make, especially for you, and some of you maybe is gonna double check this 206 pump. Maybe it's gonna working for you better. For me, working already like 5 years with no problem. And the relocated pump on that empty compartment behind the driver's seat, I think is the best idea. Thank you for watching. Next film is gonna be, I'm gonna do diagnostic on this car. I'm gonna put card on the end of this movie somewhere there. Just check next movie, and this is gonna be diagnostic because I got some faults on this car, and I got diagnostic scanner with which I gonna check, especially on this car. Thank you for watching today, and see you next movie. Bye.